good. You're awake.
Where am I? What happened?
Well?
I'm nothing but a brain! This is terrible!
It's not as bad as it looks. I also saved your stomach.
This is unbelievable! I'm ruined! How can I rule the world from inside a refrigerator?
Try to look on the bright side. You still have your money, and you still have the world's best mad scientist.
You will be my mad scientist from now on.
Oh, thank you, sir. You won't regret it. I know we'll make a great team.